Hey everyone! If your mouse keeps randomly stopping or freezing in Windows 11, and you can't move or click, here's how to fix it using your keyboard. Press Windows and X on your keyboard. Use the arrow keys to select Device Manager. Press Enter to open it. Once Device Manager opens, press Tab to jump to the device list. Use the arrow keys to find mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand it. Select your mouse device. Press Shift and F10 to open the context menu. Use the arrow keys to select Update Driver. Press Enter. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Press Tab to move through the options until you reach Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Press Space to select it. Select HID compliant mouse and press Enter. Check if your mouse starts working again. If the problem continues, open Device Manager again. Press Tab to jump to the device list. Select your mouse and press Shift and F10. Choose Uninstall Device and press Enter. Confirm the uninstall. Your mouse may stop working completely. Now restart your computer using the keyboard. After restarting, Windows should automatically reinstall the mouse driver. Once Windows starts again, check your mouse. It should now work normally without randomly stopping. That's it. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.